Hello and welcome back. So for this video, it's my happy place. And I've actually learned that it's better to have more than one happy place. I'm happy when I'm with my family. There's things I can do with them. I enjoy spending time with them. We build each other up and lift each other up. At the same time, I'm happy when I get a chance to interact with other people. So my other YouTube channel has been a huge help as I get to talk to my friends and enjoy being with my friends and on a daily basis, even if maybe that day they aren't able to check my stream or watch my stream. I've noticed that they do catch it when they can, and many times they'll catch it after the fact. So if I don't have anyone on the stream, it doesn't mean no one's going to watch it. Many times it's watched a number of times after the stream goes live, and the live stream's completely done. So that's another happy place I have. I have a couple Discord groups that I'm part of, and that's a happy place for me, especially because I can help people in some of those. Another happy place is when I hear responses to these videos that you guys, I've helped you in one way or another. That's a happy place because that brings me joy, helping other people, which is another happy place is when I'm out serving or even in my own home serving. Another happy place. I love reading. Obviously, the Harry Potter books are high on the list, but that's another happy place for me. I love the opportunity to get to learn. I love when my brain's working well and I can retain things, I like to go and either work on classes I've got or work on learning new skills or new things like that. I love being in church. My church has weekly classes that we have, and we meet weekly, or did until the coronavirus. Now we do it in our own homes, but I enjoy that. It's a time to center myself and to relook at things in the world and in my personal life, things like that. So for me, I've learned that if you have one happy place and something happens to that happy place, you're in trouble, and it can be very hard to get through, and you may not make it through. But if you can find happiness to some degree, a way to find happiness wherever you're at, then you control your own happiness. Now, that's not saying that you will be able to be happy all the time. I'm not happy all the time. I have days I get really down, I get really discouraged, that I have to stop and think and move and just accept. Sometimes a happy place is comes by allowing yourself to grieve for what could have been, or to worry about what's coming, to break down and cry, different things like that, so that you can understand your own feelings. And then learn how, from that, once you understand your feelings, you can learn how to work through what you're feeling, to where you can then find greater happiness again. But there's a song in my church, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and you will be surprised what the Lord has done. I often will, when I'm having a hard time, I'm feeling discouraged, things like that, it can be very helpful for me to let myself feel that for a little while, and to acknowledge that that's what I'm feeling, Because if you just bury your feelings all the time, you're going to continue feeling them. So I let myself feel that. But then I stop and think, especially at times if I start feeling, why am I here? Am I worth anything? Is what I'm doing helping anyone? Things like that. I stop and I look at what would happen if I wasn't here. And that usually helps bring me out. So I hope that gives you guys some ideas. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.